Wow guys, today the Karst will tell about the gangster's secret car they use, and I hope you have subscribed. The Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG is the ultimate fusion of luxury and performance, embodying raw power with an unmistakable presence. Built on a legacy of off-road dominance and refined sophistication, the G63 continues to be an icon in the SUV world. Whether navigating city streets or conquering rugged terrain, this beast delivers an unparalleled driving experience, making it a top choice for enthusiasts who demand both prestige and capability. Under the hood, the G63 packs a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing a staggering 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse propels the SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, a remarkable feat for a vehicle of its size. The AMG SpeedShift TCT 9-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system provides superior traction in any condition. Whether cruising on highways or tackling challenging landscapes, the G63's adaptive suspension and multiple drive modes, including Sport Plus and Trail, ensure optimal performance for any driving scenario. The G63's exterior design is a perfect blend of ruggedness and luxury. Its boxy silhouette stays true to its military origins while incorporating modern AMG styling cues. The bold Panamericana grille, flanked by striking LED headlights, gives it an aggressive yet elegant front profile. Massive air intakes, flared wheel arches, and 22-inch alloy wheels enhance its commanding stance. At the rear, the signature spare wheel cover, sleek LED taillights, and AMG badging complete its distinct look. From every angle, the G63 exudes power and exclusivity, making it an undeniable head-turner. Step inside, and the G63 welcomes you to a world of supreme luxury. The cabin is adorned with premium materials, including Nappa leather, carbon fiber, and metal accents. The ambient lighting system offers 64 customizable colors, creating a bespoke atmosphere. Dual 12.3-inch digital displays provide cutting-edge infotainment and driver assistance features. The AMG Performance steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats, and Burmester surround sound system elevate the driving experience. With ample legroom, a panoramic sunroof, and a host of advanced technologies, the interior is as lavish as it is functional. Despite its high-performance nature, the G63 incorporates efficiency-focused technologies such as cylinder deactivation to optimize fuel consumption. However, its 13 mpg city and 16 mpg highway rating remind us that this SUV prioritizes power over economy. Nevertheless, for those who seek unmatched capability with a touch of extravagance, the Mercedes-Benz G63 remains a dream machine. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in to the Car Shed. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car content. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned, stay driven. See you soon.